Virinchi Hospital performed heart valve implant procedure on a 74-year-old lady suffering from severe aortic valve stenosis. This sophisticated yet short-duration procedure was performed by Dr. Sharad Chandra, a senior consultant cardiologist at Virinchi Hospital.
I'm Dr. Sharad Chandra. I'm a cardiologist in Virinchi Hospital. He is Dr. Avinash Jal. He's the cardiac surgeon. We are trying to project a case which we have done about 5 days back. A case of TAVR, which many of you know. This is a new treatment for stenosis of valve. There are 4 valves in the heart, and of this, one of the most important valves is aortic valve. The heart pumps blood to the rest of the body by pumping blood from the left ventricle to the body, and while pumping, the valve has to open. That valve is called the aortic valve. This aortic valve, normally when the child is born, it's a good, most of the times the valve is normally opening and normally closing, but in some patients, as they grow older, the valve becomes narrow or leaks, and in this particular patient, the valve has become very severely narrowed. This lady is 74 years old. They are from Vikarabad.
This heart valve implant using novel Hydra aortic valve has been performed for the first time in Hyderabad and has multiple benefits.
Advancing technologies is what is going to help our country and our patients, because as we advance our technologies, we get better recovery for patients and faster recovery. As you know, I would like to give you one interesting thing. My teacher, Professor Valyathan, his teacher, Professor Hafnagel from USA, was the first person to put a valve in a human being in the descending aorta. So these are the days when those people started, and they could not put in the heart, because at that time a heart-lung machine was not invented. So Professor Hafnagel put it in the descending aorta. And gradually over the time we have come, we did a standardized aortic valve replacement, and we have started giving good relief to patients, and with very good results. However, with these patients who are having on a higher range, elderly patients, patients with other morbidities, and patients with difficulties like lung problems, patients with weak hearts, in these cases, doing an open heart surgery may be a problem for the patients. The patient's recovery may be jeopardized. So in this situation, putting a valve through a catheter with just a very short anesthesia and without going on a heart-lung machine is much more benefit, and that is what has been achieved now. So this is one of the standards milestone which we have achieved at Virinchi, and as it is, as you know, we are trying to go on further milestones.
Transaortic valve replacement, which uses this implant, is usually performed on aged patients whose arteries are rigid. The implant is retractable, and above all, it is priced half of that of imported devices, and will be a great relief for Indian patients who struggle to meet the high medical costs.
This is an advancement. Like that, more further advancements are going to come in the next few years, which will be noticed. For example, in mitral valve, tricuspid valve, other valves also, devices have been created to match these things, and many of the even Indian companies are picking up now and trying to get to this technology and this advancement. So we have certain Indian companies also making tower valves. It's not only foreign companies which are making. So that is very good for our country, as we are now going to become, as you know, we are aiming for being a superpower. So we expect that these kind of things of trying to develop is what is important essence for the patient. At the same time, we have to keep the whole patient thing, the cost and everything under control, and we have to observe all these things so the patient doesn't get overloaded with finance. Important thing is that we give fast recovery, quick recovery, and in high-risk situation get the patient with a maximum amount of success rate.
Virinchi Hospital houses one of the latest high-end flat panel catheter laboratory in Hyderabad, and the technology enabled the team to successfully implant the newly launched Hydra valve in the patient.